Plant-based work drama. So my best friend Jess landed her dream remote job last month, and for the first week, she was absolutely thriving. She sent me photos of her new office, a corner of her living room, her carefully color-coded schedule, and her coffee mug collection arranged by motivational slogans. But by day 5, I noticed her texts were getting a little weird. Instead of the usual updates, she started telling me things like, "Philomena is late again," and, "I wish Gary would stop hogging the sunlight." The thing is, Jess lives alone, unless you count the dozen houseplants scattered around her apartment. I brushed it off as standard work-from-home cabin fever until she invited me over for a Friday happy hour. I showed up expecting wine and perhaps a little venting about Zoom fatigue. Instead, I found Jess sitting at her desk, earnestly typing away, with a snake plant perched beside her laptop and a ficus in the chair across from her. Sticky notes were plastered on every pot: Gary, marketing; Philomena, HR, and, most concerningly, ficus, team lead. She handed me a mug labeled intern and whispered, "Try not to upset the boss today, okay?" Over the next hour, I watched her hold a team meeting. She voiced all the plants in different accents, assign the spider plant to handle outreach, and reprimand Gary the snake plant for slouching on the job. At one point, she made everyone circle back to the agenda, which was just a to-do list written in chlorophyll green marker. I tried to play along, but it got difficult when she announced, "Okay, let's take a quick poll. Who thinks we need more sunlight in the conference room?" And then actually waited for the plants to respond. By the end of the night, Jess unveiled a framed certificate and made a little speech. "This month's Employee of the Month goes to Ficus for outstanding growth and unwavering support during all our meetings." She even gave it a tiny gold star sticker. I guess this is what happens when you work remotely too long. The only thing climbing the corporate ladder is the ivy.